environment.
Environment link.
No. Can you? I'm just okay. I'm just showing you. Just check, okay?
Okay.
So, uh, this is my thing that I download, okay? You say JDK.
Okay.
So this is I installed like this. After that, nothing happened.
This is Mac, ma.
Yes,
Okay.
this is the thing it's come. Then I don't know what to do.
Just press continue.
Okay.
Install.
Yeah, I did that.
Hmm.
After, oh, sorry. Yeah, this thing happened. After that, it just stay like this.
Then you can go to the applications.
Okay. Uh, how? Give me one sec.
It's like in the bottom there should be the
Okay.
application or
Yeah,
something.
this next step so I'll do the close.
Just press on next step what it says. Just see what it says.
It says
That's okay.
it
Just close it. Just
see,
close it.
take me there. This one,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, just close it.
Okay,
Now press the close.
okay.
Go to the application folder right here in the bottom. In the bottom.
This bottom, which one?
Yeah, see the applications over here. Just go to the left.
I don't understand. I'm
Okay.
going to call this
You see the rocket sign, the second one?
rocket sign. Yes. Okay, so you were saying the launching. Okay, yeah. Yeah, then?
That should be somewhere over here or in the application area you install, right? So
No, actually what happened for Mac, when you install, it's directly show in your desktop, like in your whatever you have. So if you ask me whatever I have, it will see here whatever application I have here, exactly application I have here too. Just I'm not showing that. This is like this. So I don't know after that.
okay, I have used prior the MacBook, but I'm not
Okay.
sure. Like I can figure it out and like I can give you in the Skype instruction maybe later. So we
You
Yeah, we
saying
can check this later, ma.
okay, yeah. Okay, yes.
Okay, na?
Yeah, sure. So how yes.
That's what. Because the
Yeah, we
installation
yes.
environment settings we used to do in Windows in the sense, but
Mm-hmm.
Linux also same thing. Environment settings we have to do.
Okay.
When it comes to Mac, we didn't try. I think you are the third student for Mac.
Oh, I have like it's because of like when I come to the school, they actually offered this, and yes, I made this
okay.
mistake.
I'll share a link maybe later in the Skype so you can
Yes,
go through it.
yes, please do that, please. Like I'm having issue with this, like for yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright.
So which concept we were discussing, ma, in yesterday's
Lang
Uh,
session?
Lang package we gonna start.
yes.
Lang package.
Land, no. Wait a second.
Like we're gonna start Lang package. We discussed yesterday like keywords, access specifiers, main method, simple program.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Thread memories.
Thread
we
memories.
yes. Thread memories. We start last. We have you showed us like how to do launch packaging, and you will say that you will going to start that how to do that system like a class of launch packaging. Yes, package
Language package.
land package. Yes.
Launch package I didn't show you, ma.
Oh. No, you didn't. You say that LAM package you're going to discuss
Lang
today.
pack.
Yes, sir.
One sec. I'll share my screen.
Yes, sir. Why I cannot see? Yes.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Okay. Is this the program we have seen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, did we discuss about public?
Yes.
Did we discuss about class, static, public,
Yeah.
void?
Everything. At the end, we about talking about the package import, like the like C++ as a header files.
Huh.
So we are stop on that, and we're gonna discuss today like language package, like how we import, what, why we import like packages and everything, like multiple class in the package, you know.
Okay. See, basically, lang package is very similar to our header files. Okay, na?
Okay.
In C programming, we used to have header files, right?
Header files. Yes.
In header files, what we used to do,
Yes.
we used to have set of functions. Correct,
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
Here, package is nothing but a folder.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Hmm.
Within that folder, you can have set of folders. At the same time, you can have set of programs also.
Yes.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
You can have set of folders as well as set of programs also. Where that set of programs is nothing but your classes. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes. Classes.
Now, for the time being, you just remember in our Java program, we have got one default package available.
Okay.
Default in the sense, you don't need to import it. Okay, na?
Okay.
If you import also, it is simply waste only. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Now, where the default package for our Java language is java.lang package.
Okay.
This is the default package of our Java language. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Next, that particular package, it provides so many set of classes and interfaces. What is meant by interfaces, you will be learning bit later. Okay.
Okay.
Now, it will be holding so many set of classes and interfaces for performing operations on our Java language. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is the link with our Java language and this program? Might be a question you might get. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the link? Any idea?
Clean. Oh.
Here you can see that string and system. These two are the predefined classes of lang package.
Okay.
Okay?
Hmm.
That's what I wanted to introduce, that system and string are predefined classes. Under which package it belongs, you might ask a question again. For that sake only, I have introduced this lang package.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, in Java, we have got a certain rules now. What is that rule is? All predefined classes and interfaces, first letter will be capital.
Okay. First letter will be capital. Okay.
You can see system and string, S
Hmm.
is capital.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
And methods joining letter will be capital. I mean
Okay.
functions. integer dot percent. Percent I capital. Have you observed?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Like that, here we have got certain specific rules to be followed, and we need to write the program. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, did I discuss about that command and argument string AR
Yes.
and how many ways we can pass the arguments? Hello, welcome. What is system? What is out? What is println?
Yes.
Okay. Next.
No, actually, I think might
System
forget,
out,
but what
print line.
out?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Didn't discuss about out.
Yes. You did. You did.
We did. We did or we didn't. System is a class of lang package. Out is an object of.
Yes, we did. I'm so sorry. Yes, we did. I'm sorry. In my note, I'm sorry. Yes, I am so sorry.
What he is saying, Kerala is saying, we didn't discuss.
I think out is the okay. Yeah, we got it. Print line is the method of the out, like system class, like right? Like
No, print stream class.
String, yes.
print stream, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now we'll go for next thing. Okay.
Yes.
How to execute this program? We need to see that.
Yes.
Did we discuss about that?
Yeah.
How to execute?
How to execute
Java
this?
and Java, right?
Yeah.
No.
What about you, Ma? We didn't discuss, right?
No, we didn't.
Yeah, that's what we'll explain that. See, this is what the location where my Java program is there. Okay, na?
Yes, execute. Yes.
Go to this location. Okay.
Yes.
And what we have to do? One second. Yeah. Java C.
Yes.
What is the program name?
First.
.java. See?
Yes.
If it is any error, it will show the error here. Otherwise, it will get executed. And you can go and check it out. A class file will get generated.
Yes. Class file will generate it. Yes.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Next thing is Java. What is your class file name? First.
Okay.
Give that over here. See, you will get the result. Hello, welcome. Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. So in this way, we will compile and we'll interpret this program so that output will get generated. Okay, now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we are going to start up with the next concept, that is command line arguments.
Command and arguments. Okay.
What is meant by command line arguments?
It asks for arguments to put through user by the while he is running the program, right?
Okay.
Like the hello welcome, we print hello welcome. If we need to give any argument on the while running the program, we can get the command line argument.
Okay. The arguments taken by main method during compile time of the program is called as command line arguments.
Okay. So argument taken by
Arguments taken by main method during compile time of the program. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this particular command line arguments, how many arguments we can pass?
I don't know, as many as we can, I believe.
Because there we have specified array without any size. Correct, right?
Yes.
So you can take how much ever you want. Which type I can take?
I
String.
think
I can take any kind of value. Okay, na?
yes. Okay.
I can take any kind of value where later I can convert it into respective format as per my requirement. Got my
Yeah.
point, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. How that will be there? Let me show you now. Okay, na?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
One second. I will declare two variables, not two, three variables only.
Three variables. Okay.
Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
first I have declared three variables as integer.
Yes.
Okay, na? Next, command line arguments by default in Java by input will be of string fashion. What is meant by string?
String. Uh,
It, it takes parameter as a string. We need to convert if we want to use as an integer or like any other way.
I
Hello.
don't.
Yes,
So the arguments we passing as a string, even though it's a number, but it gets as a string as a command line argument. Then if we
correct,
want to addition as a add, so we need to convert into integer so it can add.
correct.
Okay. For me, it's like I don't. Okay. I don't know.
Okay, let me explain.
Please.
See, here the arguments are there. This is
Yes.
string arguments,
Yes.
and that too without any size, so it can take how many ever arguments you want, it will take.
Yes. That part I
Okay,
know.
let's say if you enter 12 also, it will take it as string value only.
Yes.
Okay, now see here. Here I have declared three variables as integer.
Yes.
Then a equal to integer dot percent AR of 0. That means my first argument, see, array index will start from 0. I hope you are aware of it.
Yes. I understand that.
That
Yes.
will be there in C programming, C++, everywhere, same only.
Yes.
Got my point, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So this command line arguments from 0th index I'm taking, which
Yes.
is of string fashion, I'm converting into integer format.
Okay.
For converting into integer format, I will use integer dot percent. Okay, na?
Okay. Yes.
Integer is a class of lang package. Percent
Yes.
is a function of integer class,
Okay.
which will take string input and convert into integer value.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
It is taking string input and converting into integer format,
Yes.
storing into A.
Yes.
Taking second string input, converting into integer, storing into B.
B. Yes.
Performing addition, storing into C. That C value I'll display here.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Let me run this. How that looks.
Yeah, please. I want to see.
One sec. Once if you do any character change also, you need to compile the program. Remember this.
Okay.
Java C is meant for compilation. Okay.
Yeah.
See, I'm compiling. If any errors, it will throw an errors here itself. Fine, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What is our program name? First.
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 Now Java
Mm,
first.
mm.
How many arguments my program is expecting?
3.
Two.
2. Acha, okay.
0 and 1.
Okay.
Totally
Yes.
two arguments it is expecting. Okay, na?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
That two arguments I will pass here. This is zeroth argument
Okay.
space. This is first argument. Okay, na?
Okay. Why is 5690?
See, that's what here command line arguments we are taking zeroth position value. Command line
Oh.
arguments means you need to pass like this only. How much you want, you can pass it like this in the same row.
Okay.
This is zeroth argument we are
Yeah.
taking.
Yeah.
This is first argument what we are taking.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
And next thing is this particular arguments what we are passing based on the program requirement you have to pass it. Okay.
Mm,
See, one time what will happen? Your program will be expecting two arguments, but you will pass three here.
mm, mm.
At the time, no issues. It will take only two, and other argument it will skip it off.
Okay.
When it comes to lesser, let's say
Yeah.
uh, the program is expecting two, but we have passed only one.
Mm.
Then what will happen?
Er Error. I don't know what will happen because we are expecting 2 and we are getting 1. So there will be an
Yeah.
error if
Okay, got it right. Array index out of bounds exception. That is what the error it will be thrown to us. Clear?
oh, yes.
Any doubts so far?
Oh.
No.
Okay. Now here what is happening? Command and arguments what we have passed everything we got to know. Next thing is let me show you. If you need to convert into float, here float dot parse float you have to use.
Mm.
I hope you know what is meant by float.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
See,
Float.
float is a numeric values with decimals.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
If you want a medium number of operations and medium data, in the sense you can take the help of float. Okay, no?
Okay.
Okay. Instead of this, I can change it to
Okay.
float. Okay, no?
Yeah.
And one important thing is that variables is also integer. Even that has to be changed to float. One
Hmm.
sec, I will change it.
Integer. Yeah. Float.
Okay, na?
Hmm.
So I have changed the code. Go to this. See the result.
Hmm.
You can take float values also like this. Okay, na?
Yeah. So we can I ask you one thing? So sir, we can do two things like same thing at a two time, float and integer. We can use both of them, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it. And it will not going to change any other like other things that our argument. They will not going to change it, right, sir? Like comment, they will not going to change any.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Can you open next one?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm. See,
Yes. Yes.
in this, what we have did, we have executed this particular command and we have generated the output. Correct,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Instead of this, see, in real time scenario, what will happen? We'll be having a big project. That project, if you need to execute, we will not be having just one line of code. We will be having some n number of lines
Hmm.
that will be available in your setup file. Once if you click on that setup file, automatically all those commands will get executed at one shot.
Yes.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Now, how that commands can be listed out into one file, we are going to see now. You got my point, right?
Hmm.
Now, let me show you. See, if I need to execute this first program, what I have to do? I have to go to command prompt. I have to create a, what do you say? I need to compile it, etc., etc. We have to do it. Correct, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of that, what I will do? I will open a text document. Okay.
Okay. Text one.
Type
Okay.
Java C.
Hmm.
What is that? First dot Java.
Java.
Okay. Then Java first. We can pass some values, something like this. Okay, no?
Okay.
Okay. So it is just like whatever the commands we are executing in command prompt, everything you dump it into one file
Okay.
and add one extra command, that is pause.
Okay. Experiment pass. Okay.
What is the use of this pause? You will get to know in some time. Okay, no? Any doubts so far?
Now.
No.
Okay. Now I will save this file. Any name dot bat you can save.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Yes.
Click OK. See, batch file will get created here.
Oh.
On click of this, it will get executed and generates the output, and it will wait for you to press any key. If I press any key, automatically it will get disappeared.
In double code, right?
Yes,
Okay.
got it right?
Yes.
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
Like this. See,
Hmm.
today I'm the developer for my project.
Yes.
After a few days, some other person will become developer for my project.
Yes.
So whenever he asks me how to execute the project, I cannot sit and explain each and every step.
Yes.
So what I will do, all the steps, whatever need to be followed for execution of project, I will dump it into one file. I will say, you just click on this file, project will run, I'll say.
Wow.
Got my point, right? He will do
Yes.
that. Technically, he will be depending on me. That is a different matter, but
Yeah.
I'm telling you the easiest way how to run your program.
Yes. So I have a question. So when we will get a project, when we will go and start working, then we will ask for that, or we
On
can actually.
we have a concept of bat, we have a concept of jar also. Later we'll see.
Okay, bat and jar, right?
Yes.
And, okay.
Jar, var is there. So many other things are there. Later, anyway, we have got that concepts. Slowly, we
Yes.
will be seeing that. Okay, no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, okay. Now we'll get into next concept.
Yeah.
One sec. Let me check any other things under this. Okay, fine. We'll go for next concept. That is control structures.
Okay.
What is meant by control structures?
There is a structure that we have to control, or how to control the structure. I don't know.
Control structures are the keywords
Oh,
which are meant for controlling the flow of programs.
keywords. Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
What? Yeah, keywords.
Yes.
Yeah. Control structures are the keywords which are meant for controlling the flow of programs. How
Mm,
that control structures will be there, let me show you now. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Let me introduce a tool, Eclipse from now onwards. Okay.
Okay.
What is meant by Eclipse?
Eclipse. It's same like Java. You said something. Eclipse. I forgot.
Eclipse, it is a tool developed by Sun Microsystem for running your Java programs.
Programs. Yes, you said Eclipse.
Okay, now
Yeah.
when it comes to
Eclipse. Wow.
this Eclipse, we'll call it as IDE, Integrated Development Environment.
Okay. IDE.
Fine, right?
Yep.
Okay. Next thing is this particular product in industry around 70% of Java developer they are using Eclipse only. Right now, this Eclipse is a product of Oracle.
Hmm.
Got my point, right?
Hmm.
Any doubts so far?
No.
No.
Okay, just a second. Wait, this is taking a lot of time to open. Okay, fine, ma. By the time I'll tell you the flashback behind this. See, Java people, if they need to run your Java program, all those things through command prompt, it is time consuming, developing and running. So we have got this tool. Okay, na? You just say Eclipse download. Okay, na?
Hmm.
Under this eclipse.org downloads, you can find this download 64-bit.
Hmm.
Before installing this, make sure that your JDK is installed.
Okay.
If that is not available, or if JDK is not installed properly, then
Hmm.
this Eclipse will not work. Any doubts so far?
No.
No.
Okay, just a second.
Yeah.
Mhm. I have downloaded and installed it. This is what that Eclipse is all about. Why this is taking a lot of time? Should not take this. If you learn about Eclipse, you can use any other servers, any other tools very easily, sir. Because
Okay.
almost the structure, everything will be same only. I hope size of 650cc
Hmm.
have been increased. Size of the light. Why? Mm, shit. Okay. First control structure we'll discuss here only, sir. By the time Eclipse opens. Okay.
Okay.
What is meant by first control structure? If. What is meant by if? One second. Anyway, this is loaded. See here.
Hmm.
Whenever if you open Eclipse for the first time,
Yeah.
it is opening like this.
Okay.
It's taking time. Okay. Eclipse has opened up, Nama. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. One sec. I will do one thing. Window. Perspective. Default perspective. That is reset perspective.
Okay.
If you say reset perspective,
Okay.
one sec. Whether that is clicked on. Perspective, reset perspective. Automatically structure of your Eclipse will get changed. Wait. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
So
Wow.
structure of your Eclipse has been changed. This is what a default structure of your Eclipse, ma.
Okay.
Are you listening, sir, Carol?
Yeah.
Okay, default structure of your Eclipse will be in this fashion. Left portion we will call it as Project Explorer, otherwise Package Explorer.
Package Explorer.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
So whatever the project is nothing but a folder where you can store your programs. Okay.
Okay.
So if you have created any project, that will get created in the left side. This is Project Explorer window.
Okay.
Next, this portion is called as coding section,
Yeah. Wow.
where you
So
can type your code.
okay.
And this portion is called as your outline.
Okay.
Outline in the sense in your program, how many variables are there, how many functions are there, which
Mm-hmm.
type of parameters that will take, everything just outline, plan it will show.
Yeah.
So that you can switch the control from one location to one function to another function. Okay, na?
Yeah.
And this portion is your console. Okay, na?
Yes.
Which portion? This portion is your console,
Yes.
which is meant for displaying the output of your program, error messages, whatever is there in your program, everything will be displayed over here.
Okay.
You can see right now I have got so many errors in my various projects. It is showing over here.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Here I
Mm.
have got so many projects. Ignore about all those projects. For you, it will be blank only.
Yeah.
Okay. What I will do, I will create a project over here. Right click, new.
Mm-hmm.
See, if you want any web applications in the sense dynamic web project, you have to use
Okay.
like websites, web pages, anything in the sense. Go for dynamic web project. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can take the help of what you say other.
Okay.
Where is this Java? Here you can see Java
Mm-hmm.
Java project.
Mm-hmm.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
Select this, click on next. What is your name, ma?
First.
What is your name?
Oh, Sherman. Nitu. Nitu. Nitu is easy. Nitu.
Next, click on next. I will type NITU. Okay, na?
Yeah.
See here, my project name is Nitu, and
Yeah.
the location where this will get stored is this location.
Code Java. Okay.
D drive core Java Nitu. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Next, the JDK version it is taking up is Java SE 1.8. Default version which
Yes.
I have in my machine is 1.8, and that only it is taking up over here.
Okay.
Next, and the project layout, these are all common, and add project to work sets. That means to this window whether we need to add it or not. Let it be. You don't need to worry about this. Click
Okay.
on finish.
Okay.
Just give the name of the project and you can give the what you say values, all these things. Automatically this will take care. Okay, no?
Wow. Yeah.
See, now Neetu is created.
Yeah.
Neetu is created. All our JRE libraries, what is required for this one, everything will get loaded over here. Okay, no?
Oh, I have a question. So after you create that name, like the file, they come by themselves, like exactly this way?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Yes. Then, sir, what we have to do?
One sec, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So this libraries will be there. You don't need to
Mm-hmm.
worry about that libraries. You just right click on Neetu.
Mm-hmm.
I'll create a class.
Okay.
New. New class. Okay, na?
Hmm.
See, I'm creating a class where
Mm-hmm.
the package, what is meant by package for the time being, I'll remove. We don't know
Okay.
anything about package. You just ignore this. Okay, na?
Yeah.
What is the name of your class you want to give? Anything. Okay, na?
Yeah.
And your class to be public or private? It should be
It would be.
public, right?
Yeah.
So we are mentioning public. Other things, we don't know anything about other things. We'll
Mm-hmm.
be seeing about other keywords later in upcoming concepts. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
Next, superclass. Which is the superclass for all the classes in Java?
As of now, main, like the which has main
Superclass,
method.
superclass.
Upper. Okay.
Java.lang.object.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Java.lang.object is the superclass for all the classes in Java. Write down.
Yeah. I don't. I didn't write it. Okay.
Got my point, right?
Yes. Super class.
Next,
Okay.
do you want main method in your program?
Yes.
yes.
Then so select this. Okay, na?
Hmm.
Do you want constructors in your program? First of all, we don't know anything about constructors. Ignore that.
Okay.
Do you want any abstract methods? First of all, we don't know anything about abstract methods. Ignore
Hmm.
that.
Okay.
If you want any comments, you can select this. What is the use of comments? So I won't select these three for the time being.
Okay.
Directly, I'll select that and I'll click on confirm.
Okay.
It will proceed with same thing. Okay, no?
Hmm.
Now you can see outline. First class, it is holding main function. It is taking string brackets as parameter. And the
Yes.
return type of this function is void.
Okay.
Like this, just outline it will show.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Hmm.
Now, what I will do, I will remove this unnecessary data.
Okay.
I will type simple program syso
Hmm.
syso control space.
Okay. What is SYSO?
It has got so many shortcuts.
Okay.
See,
Oh wow. Shortcuts.
got my
Okay.
point, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I will type my code. Hello,
Mm-hmm.
welcome.
Mm-hmm.
And see, you can see the project structure over here. You can see
Hmm.
the outline. You can see the console here. How to see the console in the sense? Right click, run as, sorry,
Nice.
run as Java application. It opens up console. It will display the result here.
Yeah. Wow.
Got it, right?
Yeah.
Some people they will run directly from here. Otherwise, some people they will go here and run as Java application. They will do like this. Again, some people they'll go for this run. They will do. Otherwise, where is this run as Java application? They will do whichever you are comfortable. I am comfortable with right click and run as Java application. So
Okay.
I'll go with this. If you want to
Okay.
go with some other option, you go with that.
Right. Okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
No.
Okay. Now, next important thing I have to mention over here is mm, yesterday I said system is a class of lang package. Correct, right?
Yes, you
Mhm.
say that. Last
Out is
like
an object of print stream.
yes.
What is the proof?
What is the
Sorry,
proof?
what?
What is the proof that I belongs to this particular sorry, not like that, instead of this. Yeah, what is the proof that system is belonging to this particular package only? Whatever I said in yesterday's class.
Java.lang.system.
Yeah, that's what. What is the proof that this system is from lang package only?
Lang, if I see that bin, um,
Just to hold control,
oh yeah. Okay.
okay, na? Click on any predefined component.
Hmm.
It will take you to the location where it is available. See, it is, sure, one sec. This is a system is a final class. What
Yes.
is final? We will be learning bit later. It is available from JDK 1.0 onwards. Okay, na?
Yeah.
And this is available under which package you can see here, lang package.
Yes.
Got my point, right?
Hmm.
Like this we can get to know about our information. Whatever the information we have written over here in Eclipse, you can identify very easily. If it is command prompt, if you do any mistakes, you cannot identify error messages very easily. That's the major difference. So what you say in compiler, in companies, we will be making use of these tools only.
Hmm.
Got it, right?
Hmm.
Kerala.
Yes.
Next. Now we will go with command line arguments using Eclipse. Okay.
Hmm.
Basically, if it is a normal program, you can run right click run as Java application. You can do it. If
Hmm.
it is command line arguments program,
Hmm.
how to execute? Let me show you. I will copy this program only. Stop wasting the time.
Yeah.
Shit, what happened? Okay, here see, it is ARGS.
Hmm.
I have to change it to ARGS over here.
Okay.
Got my point, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Next, I will run this. Right click,
Yes, right click.
Where is this? Okay.
Run.
Run as Java
Ja-
application if it is normal programs. Okay, na?
Hmm.
This program needs command line arguments.
Okay.
This you should not execute like this. You should execute run configurations.
Oh, run configurations.
Here you will have one tab called as arguments tab.
Hmm.
In
Oh,
this, how many arguments it is expecting?
2.
You pass that 2 here.
Hmm.
12 space 13 or
Yeah.
something, whatever you want. Apply, run. You can see the result here.
Oh, okay.
So command line arguments programs you have to execute by making use of run as run configurations, and you have to supply the arguments whatever it is needed. Okay, na?
Yeah, okay.
Any doubts so far?
No.
No.
Okay. Now we will step into our real example, that is if. Okay, na?
Yes.
Okay. What is if?
I don't know.
If is a
Control.
control structure which is meant for checking only one condition at a time.
Okay, checking only one condition. Okay.
Where is this?
Yes.
Hmm. Where is this control structures? Control structures. Okay. See, if first I have declared two variables
Hmm.
a and b. A
Hmm.
value is 5. It is 50,000. I have specified. B
Hmm.
value it is 70,005.
Yes.
If A is greater than B, I'm checking whether A is greater than B. Condition
No.
is true or false.
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 Okay. If it is false, we are not doing anything. If it is
Yeah.
true,
Hmm.
we will print A is greater.
Okay.
Let's say I will increase the A value. Okay, na?
Yes. Yeah. Then it's true.
The condition is true. It will print A is greater.
Yeah. Okay. And if it
Hmm.
is like it was before like 50,000 and the 7,005, so 70,005. That was if it is that type of condition. We put what kind of answer they will going to provide here. Like when we'll run that, how will like what will they will say in this window?
Okay.
Do
See,
you, yeah.
whenever if it is condition is true only, it will print anything. If
Okay.
condition is false, nothing is there to print.
Okay.
Got my
Okay.
point, right?
Yes. I'm
There
just
is
saying.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, I'm just saying, like, suppose here it's number, okay. In I don't know, but something like come up, but I didn't know, I didn't that there is a miss. I like something I miss it. Like instead of 50,000, I put it 5,000. Like it was, it can be happen, right? So then I like run it. So how like what they will going to show us?
If you run it, it will show blank output only, ma. It will not show you any output. Okay, na?
Okay, okay, and yes, okay. Then I will understand that there is a problem. Okay, yeah,
Correct. Okay, na?
yes, yes.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Next, we'll go for if else. Okay.
Okay,
It is a control structure which is meant for checking two conditions at a time.
yeah.
Okay, na? Next, if else. Here I have two variables. A is 10,004, B is 20,007.
Hmm.
Now, if A is greater than B, condition is true or false?
False.
False. If condition is false, it will come to else portion, it will display B is greater.
Yeah.
If condition is true, it will come to if portion, it will display A is greater.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay. Next, if else if.
Hmm.
This is now in this case, B is greater, it will display. Let me run this, then go for if else. See, B is greater. Okay, now?
I understand. Yes.
Next,
Yes.
if else if. This is meant for checking more than two conditions at a time.
Yes.
If else if, it is a control structure which is meant for checking more than two conditions at a time. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. That means if it is 1,000 condition, it doesn't matter. Like if else self, that one, like this condition. Hello?
One sec. Here A is 10, B is
Yeah.
20, C is 300.
Yes.
A is 100, B is 200, C is 300. If
Yes.
A is greater than B and A is greater than C.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm checking A with B and C.
Yes.
If A is greater than both B and C, I'll print A is greater and I'll come out like this.
Okay.
Suppose if this condition is failing,
Hmm.
it will come to else portion. Here again I have got if condition. I'm checking if B is greater than C. Because here A was not greater than both of them, right? So I
Yes.
don't need to compare with A again over here.
Yeah.
Now between B and C I'm comparing which is greater. I'll print respective values.
Yes.
Got my point, right?
Hmm.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Basically, this is meant for checking multiple conditions at a time. Okay, no?
Yes.
Okay. Next, what is for loop, while loop, and the functions, how to define all those things in tomorrow's session we are going to see.
Okay.
For you, what is the homework is, you need to just install Eclipse and check it out whether it is working properly or not. Okay, no?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. See you tomorrow at the same time. Okay, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Hello?
Yes.
Are you still there?
Yep.
Can you please help me?
Okay.